Hi guys, you're welcome back again to my channel. Like I said in my previous video that I'll be showing you how I made this pom-pom. Do watch to the end. If you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you, and if you are new to this channel, you are welcome as well. Without wasting much of our time, let's quickly dive into the video. For this tutorial, I'll be making use of my yarn, scissors, and my measuring tape, and of course my fingers. We have different sizes of pom-pom, so it depends on what you want. I just want a pom-pom that is about 4 inches wide. Using a width of 4 inches like this, I started flipping the yarn over this way. I continued doing it depending on how full you want it to be. At a point I had to do it off the camera. As you can see what I have. I like it full, so I really made it full. But be careful while doing this so you don't end up reducing the width of the pom-pom. I maintained the 4 inches. This tutorial is very sensitive and you have to be very careful when making it. When I was done doing the flipping over, I pulled it out from my fingers. Just watch what I did here. After pulling it out from my fingers, I began to secure the middle with the yarn like so. I pulled it for it to be very firm. If not, you won't have a very good result. While I was trying to secure it, I was careful not to cover the holes. Can you see it? Because that is how I'm going to trim it through that opening. It's time to open it up. If you have a very good scissors, you can just open it up once. If not, you can do it maybe 2 or 3 times, provided you still end up opening it up. Look at how it is. Then I'll also do it for the other parts I'm holding with my fingers. At this point, I was still securing the middle because I didn't want to take chances. Now, I'm opening up the other part. But in most cases, you end up not opening it up once. So, as you see anyone still folded, you can be opening up while trying to trim. It doesn't really look good this way, except you want to do a rough kind of pom-pom, then it's fine. But if you want a neat one, you have to keep trimming and trimming till you get your desired results. Because I couldn't cut everything once, so I still found some folded yarns inside the pom-pom. I kept on opening up the folded yarns. Now the real work begins. That is the trimming. If you want it to look very neat, you have to trim well. I went further to secure it again because I didn't want it to loosen. I didn't want a case whereby the wool will be pulling out. So I did it till I was satisfied that it was firm. Then my trimming game continued. I trimmed it to the extent that it was looking presentable. You could as well choose to mix different colors of yarns for extra beauty. But for the kind of craft I was making at the moment, I needed a plain color. I'll be leaving the link to the video in the description box. I'll also be adding a card as well. Do check it out and see how the crafts looks. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Do like, comment and share this video. Our pom-pom is fully ready, well trimmed. Maybe I should change the background so you see how it pops out. So fluffy. Wow. You could also give it a try. It's an easy DIY. Thanks for joining this time and see you in my next video. Don't also forget to check out my channel for this tutorial. Bye.